Welcome to video 4, Adding Students. To invite students, you can simply go to the Stream tab and give students the class code. You can also click the three dots and copy class invite link, which can be emailed or sent to students. Finally, you can go to the People tab and go under Students to invite students individually by emailing them with their email address. Communication is an important part of Google Classroom. From the Stream tab, you can post announcements or updates. Students can reply or comment depending on your setting. For direct communication, you can go to the People tab and email students individually or as a group. To manage the classroom, you can track student progress in the Grades tab. When you click in here first, it'll ask you to automatically grade missing assignments with a potential 0 or whatever grade you want to choose, and click Done. You can also return to the Classwork tab to review the submissions and provide feedback for each one of the assignments. Congratulations! You've successfully created and set up a Google Classroom. By following these tutorials, you can now efficiently organize your course, share resources, and engage with your students online. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to your instructor. Thanks for watching and good luck with your teaching journey.